Why do 80% of tech enthusiasts love text-to-speech tools? Because they're super handy and versatile. First up, online tools. Google Text-to-Speech is free and supports multiple languages. Amazon Polly offers advanced features, but it's a paid service. VoiceStream gives you natural-sounding voices, also for free. For software, check out Natural Reader and Kare. Both are paid options that provide realistic voices. If you're on a budget, Balabolka is free and still offers various voices on mobile. Voice Aloud. Reader is a free Android app with natural voices. SpeakScreen is your go-to for iOS, and Google Text-to-Speech works on both platforms. Prefer browser extensions. Read Aloud for Chrome gives you natural voices for free. Speak It for Chrome and Text-to-Speech for Firefox are also great options with various voices. Need an API? Google Cloud, Amazon Polly, and IBM Watson all offer advanced, paid text-to-speech API services. Choose the one that fits your needs best, and happy listening.